everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys know what it is. It is time for Walmart Ibotta haul. A lot of you guys really enjoy these videos. If you haven't already joined Ibotta, definitely recommend it. I go to Walmart and sometimes Target every Monday to show you guys Ibotta deals. A lot of you guys are loving it. A lot of you guys are hitting levels you've never hit before. A lot of you guys are just enjoying it, and that's what I like to do. You know, why not get some free money and get some good deals? Now, sometimes stuff is free, sometimes it's just super cheap, and sometimes it's better than what it was. If you guys haven't already, you guys can actually friend request me. I do have a link below where you guys can friend request me. Now, listen, this is I don't know why nobody can ever understand this. Friend request me. I have a Deals by Designer page where you guys can actually like my page, which is fine. I post some random stuff there. And then right below it, I have, for Ibotta only, you can friend request me. So if you guys send me a message on Deals by DesignerJen, I'm just going to say you guys have to friend request me. I get so many people like, I want to join your team. I explain it. I'm not trying to be a butt about it, but I just get the same messages over and over again when people ask me to be on my team. You can be on my team, you just got to Facebook friend request me. And then once I accept you, then you guys just make sure your Ibotta is connected to Facebook. Now, I will check out your profiles. I get a lot of creeps. If you just made your profile like that day, I will not let you be my friend because there's a lot of fake people out there. And I'm starting to check out people's profiles. So if you guys don't seem legit, I will unfriend request you if I do request you. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. I've noticed with Ibotta lately, I look at my friends. I used to have like a ton of people on my list, and now I don't hardly have any. I don't know if it's just because nobody's active, if it's for active people only. I'm not sure. I just did disconnect and reconnect, and it still shows an amount of people. So if you guys can't find me, send me a message saying, hey, this is how much I saved with Ibotta. You got to give me to the exact T, and I can find you. Otherwise, if not, we'll figure out how we can see each other. And don't just nudge me. I see so many people nudging me all the time. Don't do that. It's annoying. I get a notification on my phone constantly all the time when somebody nudges me. The only time you nudge me is if you can't find me, or you message me, you can't find me, and you find me. Nudge me so you found me, but otherwise, stop nudging. I just don't like it. I get a notification like 40 times a day on people nudging me. I just don't like it. But sorry about the rant. I just had to get that out there to let you guys know, but they're like, shut up, Jennifer, just give us the deals. So I did get a lot of deals at Walmart, not as much as I wanted. I feel like it's going to be a slow month. Crossing my fingers it does pick up, but I did get some good deals for you guys, and then Saving Star, there's some good deals for you too. Sorry I'm going to be out of breath. I don't know why. I'm just extremely out of breath. I'm sitting very uncomfortable. I'm going to a chiropractor in a couple days to get my back aligned because I am so out of whack from this pregnancy. It's ridiculous. But first item I got is the Thermacare. Now this is $5.94. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $2.94 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta. And if you guys added it to your account, you can submit a $3 rebate on Saving Star, making this a $2.06 moneymaker, which is awesome. I actually should use this on my back, but with me being pregnant, I don't think I can. So they're kind of nix that. But otherwise, that's something that's perfect for it. I should just put my cat on my back. She'd make me feel better. She's right by my feet. Next deal I got is Persil. Now there's two different deals for the Persil that you guys can do. Now I did this deal at CVS yesterday, but if you guys don't have a CVS, this is still a great deal to do at Walmart. So this is $5.24. Now they did have the pods for $4.94. I was going to get the pods, but Persil is my ultimate favorite laundry detergent, and my machine does not do very good with the pods, so I had to get the liquid. So I'm like, whatever, I'm paying just a little bit more. I don't care. This is still a great deal. So $5.24. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. I never got those coupons, so I was able enough to print them off when they were on coupons.com. You guys would pay $3.24 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta. And if you haven't already, you can also submit a $2 rebate on Savings Star. So it comes out to be a moneymaker. But since I did this deal at CVS yesterday, it's not a moneymaker, but it's still an awesome deal. But without the Savings Star deal, it comes out to $1.24, which I absolutely love. This is by far my favorite laundry detergent. Okay, the next deal we got is the Glucerna. These are the mini treats. Now, these are in a totally different spot than the regular, like, diet stuff. They're over, where did I see them? They're, like, kind of over by, I can't even remember where I've seen them. The eye stuff is where I've seen these at my store. But these were $4.28. I used a $3 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $1.28. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just 78 cents. So if you guys need somebody who wants these, go for it. 78 cents, I think, for 6 bars is a great deal. And now my hiccups finally showed up, so yay! All laundry detergent. Now these are the pods. The pods were $3.97. Now these only cover 18. There's 18 in here. Otherwise they had the big like jar, like, you know, the one kind of like this. They had one for the big one that did like 62 loads. You do get more, but I'm like, you know what? I don't use all as much, so I'm like, I'm just gonna be cheap and do that this way. But the bigger one was $4.97. So it just depends if you guys want to do $4.97 or $3.97. But you guys use that $1 off coupon. A lot of you guys got that coupon. I used mine from coupons.com because I never get these coupons. You guys would pay $2.97 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate. Hold on, honey. You guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta. And then you guys can also submit a $1 rebate on Savings Star if you guys haven't done that deal already. Now that deal, I can't remember when they added that to the account. So if you guys added it, go for it. Sorry, my son wants me to open something for him.
These are called Wiggle. You stick on them on the wall.
Okay, don't stick them on the wall, honey.
Why?
Because then you can't get them off.
You just take the tape off and get them off.
Well, don't re-stick them. Just stick them somewhere permanently, babe. Okay? Okay. So, sorry about that. But then you guys can, you guys after that, you'd be just paying 97 cents. If you did buy the big bottle, you'd be $1.97, which is still a pretty good deal. So, excited to share with you guys with that deal. And it's got to be the all free, so make sure you guys scan it while you're at the store. Huggies wipes, the baby wipes. Now make sure you scan this with the Ibotta app because I grabbed one. It said it didn't qualify. I grabbed this one. It did. I don't know if it's just for the natural care or not. I'm not sure. But the wipes were $1.84. You guys use a 50-cent off coupon that is on coupons.com. You guys would pay $1.34 for this. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just 84 cents. But then I also submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards. Now, Fetch Rewards is an app where you guys just scan your receipts and you get points. If you buy certain brands, you guys get bonus points. And then they have something like a bonus thing. So I ended up getting 938 points for buying this one item. So I got this absolutely free. I made money off of this if you guys think about it, because 938 is just shy of 1,000 points. Just shy of 1,000 points, which is for $1. So definitely do this deal so you guys can get that for free. So wanted to share with you guys on that. Sorry, I hurt my tailbone. And it really hurts, and I have to like sit down on a special chair, and I don't have that chair down in the basement, and it really hurts. I just did this deal just to show with you guys in case you need some deals with Ibotta. But this was $2.43. I used a 50-cent off coupon there. I think there are regular coupons out there. Otherwise, I just used a printable coupon from coupons.com. You paid $1.93 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate. And I got 24 points from Fetch Rewards. So that comes out to be $1.43 for that. Not the greatest deal, but hey, I wanted to share with you guys some deals in case you really needed to do some stuff. Got the Clairol Root Touch Up. Now I grabbed one item and it didn't qualify, but these ones did. So these are $6.92. I used a 5 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $8.84. But then you guys can submit to Ibotta and get a 6 off of 2 rebate. So you guys get $6 when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be $2.84 or just $1.42 a piece. Not the greatest, but hey, I still wanted to share with you guys in case you guys really need some deals. I like to share with you guys as many deals as I can because a lot of you guys buy different things. The last deal I got is the penne noodles. I actually really like these of the Barilla pasta. It's just super easy. You just heat them up, I think. Yeah, microwave them for 60 seconds. And then we just add some sauce to it, and there you go. Instant lunch. Super easy. I really like these. These were $1.68 a piece. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You guys would pay $3.36. I didn't know if there's any coupons out there, but $3.36. You guys would submit a $1 off of 2 rebate on Ibotta. And then this is from a while ago, but they had a $1 off of 2 savings star that I finally got to use. So you guys would get these for $1.36 or just 68 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. 68 cents a piece, and these are awesome. Super easy to make. So there is that. But yes, that was my Walmart Ibotta haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My total came to $25.90. I ended up finding something on the clearance rack for a toy for Ben. It was an $80 toy and I got it for 20 bucks. It's one of those Hot Wheel garage things, but we're getting that to him for his birthday, so I have it hidden. But it's perfect. I mean, I saved $60 on a toy. On a toy! It's crazy. So check your clearance, you guys. You never know what you're going to find. But $25.90 is what I got with my Ibotta items. I ended up getting $13.60 back. I think I had any receipt in there, but I can't remember what the price was. I think it was like 10 cents. Whoopee! I also got $5 back from Savings Star, so we got that. And then I hit Streak 1 bonus, which is 50 cents through Ibotta. I did miss level 1. I think I needed 10, and I just missed it by 1 rebate, which is not a big deal. I'll hit that very soon. But the 50-cent Streak 1, they have a lot of bonuses going on because they usually know it's a slow month, so they do a lot of bonuses when it's a slow month. But my total came to $6.80. I ended up getting just 10 items for 68 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Please let me know what your favorite item is, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.